this video, I will show you these 1% levers. They are simple, practical, and easy to implement. Hi, I am Sunita Pitnikar, and in the last 15 years, I have worked with more than 100 entrepreneurs to help them build systems, strategies, and teams so that their team does not depend on them for taking smaller decisions in the business, while owners have time to think strategy and how their business will grow. Here is something that I have learned from various businesses that I have worked, small, medium, and even large, that cash does not grow by taking some heroic moments but by making small improvements in your business. Let me begin by explaining that most founders never pay attention to. Let's say you are running a business of 1 crore of revenue every year, and 1% improvement in right areas of business will help you unlock 8 to 15 lakhs of rupees without acquiring new customers. That's the impact of compounding effect. Not big changes, not big risk, not big decisions, just tiny, steady, controlled 1% improvement. Let me explain each of this lever, and I will also tell you how to apply this in your business. Each lever is tiny, but when they put together, it creates a compound magic. This is the simplest lever and is the one which founders resist the most. Let me show you the math for this. Let's say you're charging rupees 25,000 for a service. A 1% hike would be rupees 250. Nobody cancels the service because of 250. But here is a magic. That 250 goes directly to your profit without adding any extra cost. If you deliver 20 projects a month, that 1% will give you 5,000 rupees extra cash and rupees 60,000 rupees per year. That is one small tweak. You didn't hire a salesperson, you didn't do any marketing campaign, you didn't work extra on weekends. You only stopped underpricing. That's the first lever for you. This is my favorite lever because it is effortless. Most founders focus on getting new customers, but they don't nurture their existing clients. For example, let's say you have 50 clients. 1% increase means one client buying one additional services from you. That's it. One more consulting session, one more add-on, one more module, or one more upgrade. This is not upselling aggressively. This is helping your customers with services that you already have. A small nudge, a small check-in, a small suggestion. That's all it takes. 1% is hardly anything, but when you stack up, it works magnificently. Let me give you a real example. One of my clients is to print stationery for each meeting. Each meeting costed him rupees 600 just for printing. They had around 20 meetings a month, which means that 12,000 rupees just gone for printing. We introduced digital stacks and it saved them almost 1,000 rupees every month. Alone is 1% reduction in the cost. Identify one area in your business where you can standardize or negotiate, and that 1% reduction stays in your business forever. This is not about cutting your manpower or squeezing your team. It is all about identifying recurring drainers in your system. You can watch for some of this in your business also. Subscriptions nobody uses. Tools paid annually but forgotten. Software duplicated across the teams. Rented spaces not fully occupied and unused licenses. If your overheads are rupees 4 lakhs, 1% is rupees 4,000. Small, yes, but the beauty is it saves you that money every month. That is 4,000 rupees into 12 months, rupees 48,000 saving just by removing unused license from your system. Now imagine you finding 3 spots like this. So much of money released in your business without impacting culture or quality of work. Now let's look at some of the levers that most founders never pay attention to, but they create permanent cash flow in their system. Cash gets stuck in 3 places: inventory, receivables, and payables. And if you reduce any of this by one day, you free a lot of cash in your system. If your stock turns in 32 days and you bring it down by one day, making it 31 days, then you release a full day's working cash. Let's say your clients pay you in 30 days. You bring it down by one day. Now they pay you in 29 days, which means that one extra day of cash in your bank. If you pay your vendors in 7 days and now you change it to 8 days, which means that one day of extra cushion for you. These are one day changes. They are small, but they can release few thousands, lakhs over the year. This does not mean working harder. This means working cleaner. Let me give you a few examples. You create a simple SOP for onboarding clients. You automate repeated emails. You remove one approval layer. You reduce meeting time from 60 minutes to 45 minutes. And you clarify roles so that people stop guessing and they know exactly what to do. If you have a team of 10 and they become 1% more productive, that's equivalent to 0.10 extra employee without hiring a new person. Tiny productivity gains, but compounding effect. You all know that. Rework is invisible cash leakage. Every time client says, "Can you revise this?" or "We didn't discuss this," you lose time, margin, focus, and sometimes even reputation. If your team reduces errors just by 1%, you save a huge money across the year. Let's say you have a 10-hour project with 1 hour of rework. With 1% of error reduction, it becomes 10 hours of project and 54 minutes of rework. That is 6 minutes of saving per project. If you do 300 projects a year, it means 30 hours saved every year. That is 4 full working days of saving by 1% reduction in the error. That's the efficiency you can reinvest in your business to generate more revenue. Each of this looks small, but when you put together 1% more pricing, 1% more volume, 1% lower cost, 1% lower overheads, 1 day faster cash, 1% more productivity, and 1% less errors, you unlock exponential cash. For a small business generating 1 crore, this can free up to 18 to 15 lakhs per year. And all of this without big marketing, big hiring, big risk, and without any investment. Just steady, intelligent tweaks. That's the power of one for you. To make it practical for you, I have created 10-minute cash calculator. Just enter your number, slide each lever by 1%, and it will show you how much cash you can save in your business. Use this in your Friday meeting this week. The link is given in the description. Big changes does not come from taking unnecessary pressure in your business. It comes from taking small, clear, consistent tweaks in your business. If this helps you to think differently, clearly about your business, then subscribe for my channel and I shall see you in the next video.